Hello, welcome to Safety First with LC. Today, what we are going to analyze is how the behavioral safety works. Whenever there is an accident, and if we go to that root cause, always it will lead to some of the behavioral issues. Okay, so how to see that behavioral issue and how to identify it and how to mitigate it. That is what we are going to watch in this video. So, what is behavioral safety? Behavior, when it comes with the influence of the other factors, wherever we born, wherever we raised, whatever our society is, okay, whatever our region is, from there we will get one behavior, okay. That is like previously we may work in an unhealthy way, okay, unsafe way. Those are all like we used to work like that. That is why we have developed that behavior inside us, which means our mind, the state of mind will be like unsafe working culture. So that is what behavioral safety in an unhealthy way. So what happens whenever our companies are recruiting in a bulk, they are mobilizing in a bulk amount of manpower, and what will happen? The manpower will be coming from the 10 to 12 different countries to that single project, which means that project follows one unique safety culture, okay, under the company, under the national law of labors and something, okay, labors and industrial things. They will have their own safety culture. So these individuals from other countries, which they will not, maybe they may not aware of the safety culture too, which means they always practice in an unsafe way. So what will be the influencing factors that the person will be like unhealthy in behavioral safety? So we can see about the factors, different factors. He may be from a different culture. He may be practicing in a wrong way. He may practice, his region is like different from others. And maybe he don't even know about industrial safety exist. So when those type of person arrives in a project, there is always a risk that that person may get injured, or else, whenever he is not following the safety, maybe his colleagues may get injured. So that is what we have to mitigate it. Okay. So guys, whenever the accident happens, it will happen whenever the risk and the exposure, these two collides. Okay. See, in construction industry, always there will be the risk, because if there is a suspended load is there, that is like we have to install that structure. Okay, so if we going under the suspended load in the sense the crane is lifting some heavier material. Okay, so if you walking under the suspended load, then you are exposing yourself to the risk. Okay, then if something happens here, it will come like this, and will be crushed, which means there will be a fatal injury. So how to prevent this? See, how to prevent these sort of injuries, these sort of fatal injuries. Okay, that is what we are going to see here. So how to prevent this? We have seen the influencing factors over, like, see, his state of mind is used to that influencing factors. Okay, so when he comes here, we have to remind them that here, if you come from lot different countries, those are all not matters. Here we are working as a one family. In this one project, all are one family. So that what we can do, see, the person will be there, the influencing factors will be there, these all will be there inside him. So here we are going to make one control measure, that is administrative control. Administrative control in the sense that control measures comes from the company. They will give the proper training to each and everyone before starting their work at site. Okay, so whenever the state of mind is influenced by that external factors, then his behavior is like always he is like unhealthy thing. So whenever this centralized training from our admin control happens, this guy, the unhealthy behavioral safety guy, will become healthy behavioral safety guy. Actually, this is what we need. So to mitigate the behavioral safety, like behavioral safety in an unhealthy way, to mitigate that, we have to provide the training and we have to use the administrative control, which is providing the trainings, following him up, always reminding TBT, okay, and all the work method statements, JSA, so all should be followed, okay. So these are all the how to make the unhealthy behavioral guy into healthy behavioral guy, because our ultimate goal is to prevent injury, to make only zero injury, okay. So this is what this video is about. So hope I believe you guys are enjoying watching this video and watching my insights about this industrial safety and all. If you like this video and this channel, please subscribe and support me. And furthermore, if you want to discuss any details in industrial safety, please drop it in the comment section, okay. So let's go for our slogan: safety first, safety first, safety first with LC. Until the next video, tata, bye bye.